I am Steve Anderton. Today, the boys and I are going on an adventure on the coolest show on earth. My dad is cool. I've got everything I need here. I've got parks in there, Duke in the back, heavy duty Phil and Ted's pram, and I've got my essentials in this bag here. Let's do it. Okay, so today's expedition is doing the Bondi to Bronte walk, and that involves significant walking through the suburbs because we're located in North Bondi. So there's the little pram. One of the natural hazards of going through a suburb like Bondi is getting up these hills, and we've got a pram with two little boys in it. It can be hard work. Luckily lately Bondi or Waverley Council has put in these little ramps at the end of the streets. You can see that one there, the sort of natural one. If you come back here, oh, here's one too. Some of these curves, there's less now, but they used to not have the ramp, so then you'd have to drop the whole pram down about a foot. And the other hazard is people with their SUVs across the driveway blocking your path. Anyway, we're almost up the hill here. Okay, here we are. Somewhere in here I can smell dog poo. There's a beautiful old apartment. Well, it's red brick, it wasn't beautiful, being knocked down. Constant development here in Bondi. Here's the step I'm talking about. You have to drop off one of these babies. See how I go. Oh, see? As a parent, it's a pain, but you get through it. Check the road, no one coming. This is one way. The car, better be quick. Here we go, beautiful day in Bondi. There's the boys. And we'll have a look. Huh? No. We've got to get a shot of it. Here's the boys again at the southern end of Bondi Beach, and it is a really nice day. And there's some great sets coming through. Look at that guy. Some fantastic sets coming through today. Awesome. There's a nice set coming through here at Bondi Beach. Hopefully get out of this arvo. Yep. Wow. Beautiful day. More sets coming through. There's the men. Alright. There's Parky, Dukes. Here we are at the top of Bondi Icebergs. And that's what Duke's looking at. It's just an outstanding Bondi day. Whoops. Goes in an amazing way. Where's the man? There he is. What's he doing? Don't escape, Duke. Alright. There's the boys. Everyone's in red today. Duke's got a red shirt, a red cap, we've got a red pram, and Parks has got a red hat. She's a bit annoyed with me. He keeps getting director's orders. Look down here. Just superb. Get another shot of the boys. That's where we're headed. That's where we've come from. There's my boys. There's another natural hazard of this area, is dog poo. Really brings the vibe down. Okay. Here we are, halfway on the walk. There's Parky, getting a bit of sun. And if we pan around, we'll get Dukey Pukes. What's he looking at? Looking at that. And there's the walking trail with all the people. Beautiful. Isn't it? What do you think, Dukes? Okay. Go. And here we are, down by the beach. There's the walk. Here's Dukey. Go up the steps, Duke. Go up the steps a bit. More. Good boy. Here we are, beautiful Bondi Beach. This is the walk between Bondi and Tama. Goes all the way to Bronte. That's the walking track we've come along. It's been a few steps so far. But now, sneak preview there, I've got to get this little man, that little man there, he can walk by himself, but this little man and this pram, I have to get up these steps. And there's another set and it's bigger to come. Just keep going. Good boy. There he is. Action! There's Dukey climbing up the hill, hiding. Where's he gone? Dukey Pukes! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! There he is, taking his sweet time. There he is. There's Bondi Beach. And there's our parks. You can see the guy with the most expensive real estate just over that hill there. Dukes, don't get up. Don't climb that rock, okay? Come and sit over here. Stand here. We'll just stand there. Here's beautiful Bondi, and you can have this real estate for absolutely nothing. Just set up one of these. This guy, he's got it sorted. He wants to pay a mortgage for 1,000 years. Beautiful. What do you think, Dukes? Fun? Yeah. There's the path, the people. There's Bondi. Here we are. It's pretty busy today actually for a Friday. And there's Parksels. They're very patient. You keep going. Keep going. Life is better captured than staged. And there we go, there he is. And if you look over here, there's Bondi Headland, there's the beach, there's where we've come from. And we've got more steps ahead of us though. Here we are, about to take the pram up the steps from hell. There's probably 20 of them. You want to climb up the steps, Dukes? You climb up the top. And I've got to drag the pram up this. Dukes exhausted halfway. Biggest problem is overbalancing, falling backwards. There we go. Let's see if the park... Here we are. We've made it to the point here, but God, it's windy. Don't lose your hat. It's like the top of Everest. Not that I know what it's like. It's actually a lot better down there. I think we should get out of this wind. Okay, so now we're stopping down because Parks has been there all the time in the pram. So here we are, beautiful Bondi. Well, it's not Bondi anymore, it's more Tamarama. Parks is trying to hit the ball over the edge. Here boys, you do some kickings over there. There he goes. Once again, it's quite beautiful here. He's doing yoga of some sort. Meditation. Go and sit on this seat, Jigs. Go sit on the seat. Boys, sit on the seat for Daddy. It's a bit windy, I know. Don't lose your hat, Parks. Parky, come and sit on the seat. Whoops. I don't know what that was. There's my boys. It's actually kind of a weird perspective shot, this, because it gets so many things on one line. Beautiful. Don't let that go over the edge, Jukes. Stop. Yeah. Here, let's go get the footy. Well, what's this here? And here we go. This is pretty much describes our day so far, an epic journey. The ancient migration route. And we're talking about whale watching here. This is one of the primary spots where people come to watch whales in the eastern suburbs. Beautiful animals, and you do spot them randomly out here. That's a nice shot of the boys there, aren't they? Do you like whales? Do you boys like whales? Don't hurt yourself, Dukes. Garbage bin should frame that. Little man. Here we are, lunchtime. It's a bit windy up here. There's the boys. Well, it's actually about 11:30. There's all the tourist whale watching. And Duke's saying I want to go home. Fair enough. Doesn't get much better than this. Here's Dukey Pukes. Safely sticking on this side of the handrail. And down there is just some beautiful action. It's very windy on the hill, but now we're out of the elements a bit. So this is halfway between, I guess you call it South Bondi Head and Mackenzie's. Hey Jukes, walk down that way, baby. Walk down there. Walk down there. Jiggy's heading down towards Tamarama. There's Mackenzie's and Tama there. Awesome beaches. There's Jukes there. You can see Mackenzie's set directly in front of him. And Tamarama, and then around the corner is Bronny. Lovely, okay. There's the men. We've just come down this path here. And there they are. There's Parky. Look at that face, the Vegemite sandwich. It's just like Anna, with that intensity. Shove it in. There's Dukes. It's like, Dad, I'm so annoyed at you. Zombie like. Imagine that if you're like a restaurant and you saw someone staring at you and eating like that, you'd run. Okay, so there are my beautiful boys. And then if we pan around here, you can see we're going to Tamarama. That's actually Mackenzie's, and then Tama's over there. And there's Bronny. About 3 foot today. Hopefully we'll get out this afternoon. And there's the path that we'll be walking on. It's like the yellow brick road. Yeah, baby? Huh? Stay there. No, I told you to sit down. Keep going. Here we are at Mackenzie's Bay, someone down there with their doggies. It's it's actually a beautiful day, it's high tide. You can tell because all this area here is flooding. This is where we did pet test pilots a couple of years ago. Be good fun today. Look at this set coming in. Yeah, in a second, hang on. The boys, and they've actually shot some big stuff here. Guys getting waves up here. And there's the men there. There they are, looking cranky. What's the problem? There's Parks. Oh, and that pretty much completes the trip today. There's the boys. Unhappy as usual. Don't throw you. And look, here we are at Glamorama. What a beautiful day. Every time we shoot, the waves go away there. You can see there's a bit of swell action. There's all that white water moving around. Yeah. Beautiful. One guy surfing out there at Mackenzie's, but it's very full. So he's not having much success. He won't go too far out there either. Let's pull him right out. Yeah, hang on, Parks. There's one bodyboarder here at Tama. I don't know, I'm a bit ambivalent about today. It's very clean and straight and even and probably a bit boring. Hate to say. You might be on one here. Yep. Okay, we've made a full circle now. There's Bondi. Occasional really sexy set coming through. See, we're outside the skate park here. There's the bowl. Not much action in there. And there's my boys. Oh, hang on, there's a wave. Get out there in an hour or so.